Okay, my name is Jocelyn Clark. I am actually an adult student, so I'm here all day.
My name is Faith Sabaris. I go to Yukon High School, and it is my first year enrolled in welding.
I took welding because I actually graduated from auto collision just down the hallway from here, and welding was my worst suit, so I decided to fully pursue it so I'm a better welder in it.
I decided to take welding for the fact that it's not normally a career that women go into. I just felt like it would be something nice to try. I love being in welding. I love the freeness of it, the fact that you get your time to do whatever you need to do. I like that it's really relaxed, not fast-paced.
You need so much skill that goes into it, and you need to have so much persistence. Like, I was stuck on a single weld for 6 days consecutively, both morning and afternoon, and it was the fact that I wanted to get better that drove me to just keep doing it. Our instructors help us get better by keep encouraging us to do one more weld, even though they're already pretty good to begin with. So if I were to bring in a weld that passes, in their eyes they just tell me, okay, give me one more, and then we'll just do it until it's almost perfect. So in my opinion, that just gives us that sense of they really believe in us to get an almost perfect weld.
Right. My advice to future students is to don't rush through it. Take your time, be consistent on your welds. Penetration is key, and just have fun while you're doing it.